Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Headingley, Manitoba, a delightful community that offers the perfect blend of rural charm and modern convenience. Located just west of Winnipeg, Headingley is a place where the tranquility of country living meets the accessibility of city amenities. The history of Headingley dates back to the early 19th century when it was first settled by European immigrants. Named after the town of Headingley in West Yorkshire, England, this Manitoba town has grown from its farming beginnings into a vibrant and diverse community. Headingley is situated in the heart of the Assiniboine River Valley, a region known for its fertile land and beautiful natural scenery. The Assiniboine River, which flows through the area, provides not only stunning views, but also opportunities for fishing, boating, and other water-based activities. The river's presence has been instrumental in the development of the community, offering both a source of livelihood and a place for recreation. Headingley is a town that values its natural surroundings, with several parks and green spaces that offer residents a chance to enjoy the outdoors. Whether it's a leisurely walk along the riverbank, a family picnic in the park, or a bike ride through the countryside, there are plenty of ways to appreciate the area's natural beauty. The town is conveniently located near major transportation routes, making it easy to access the nearby city of Winnipeg and other parts of Manitoba. This makes Headingley an ideal place for those who want the best of both worlds, the peace and quiet of rural living with the convenience of urban amenities just a short drive away. Whether you're passing through or considering making it your home, Headingley is a place where you can experience the best of Manitoba's rural and urban worlds.
Thanks for watching!